hit head-on about several months ago, and the guy didn't have any insurance. He had a phony license plate on, but the problem is this was his 5th accident in head-on accidents in 6 weeks. What can a person do? Oh, he was back on the road the very next day. My friend spent about 6 weeks in the hospital. What can a person do individually to get this other person off the road?
I got you. We missed the first part of the question there, but I think we got the most of it there for you, Larry. It sounds like multiple offender. Jim, Matt, who wants to start first here?
Well, Matt may answer some of this in more detail if it deals with criminal offenses. He hears those in this court all the time. But generally, you know, in civil litigation, you can file a lawsuit, recover for your damages, but unless the other person has some reason they shouldn't be driving, that sounds like a lot of wrecks in a short period of time and potentially serious accidents. Maybe this person has a health problem. But it should be picked up by the cops that how many times he's been basically involved in an accident, and at some point in time he may not be fit to drive.
Yeah, no question about it. And this brings up one of my favorite topics of all time is uninsured motorist coverage, folks. You know, in the end of the day, you can't control what sometimes life throws your way. You can't control the actions of other people, but you can control what's in your control, and that is having good uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. That's the insurance that protects you if you're involved, if you're hit by somebody that's irresponsible. Sounds like this guy right here, I mean, couldn't be more irresponsible than that. And, you know, probably doesn't have a lot of insurance either. So, you know, so that's why you carry to protect yourself. And I'm telling you, I met with 2 people this week, you know, that just thought they had more coverage and didn't. It's something you really, if you do anything, you know, if this show gives you any good information, call your agent, you know, or look at your coverage Monday morning and raise your limits. It's the cheapest coverage out there, and I tell you, it pays dividends to you. It absolutely does, and you just don't want to be left holding the bag, and that's what happens if you have low limits.